Miami! Hey man, hey vlog! We're day one of Miami. Well, we got here yesterday, but this is gonna be our first full day in Miami. I'm so excited. We're doing a boat trip today, and we're also gonna go to the beach, and then we'll see what else we can do today, because we haven't got much time. We're staying in a hostel called Freehand Miami, and it was so cheap. We've made it such a mess, but it's such a nice hostel, and it's got such a cool vibe downstairs, and it's very like young people. Yeah, so there's 4 beds, there's 4 of us, so we're all in the same room, and they let us change to the same room, thankfully, because we don't want to really stay with strangers. This is our room. Okay, so this is all my stuff. I need to repack.
Are you vlogging the messy room?
Then these are our beds. So,
Hi!
Fez, she looks so good.
Oh, stop
Baddie. And I'm wearing a Fez's skirt too, because I didn't really bring any outfits for this. Say hi, Taylor.
Hello.
This is Gabby. The vibe is all very the same, like palm trees and just cool. And there was a DJ on last night. So I'm hoping we can go to Space, the club tonight. But we'll see. Okay, look how cute it is. This was literally $35 a night, which is like £26. And it's such a vibe. And then this is the pool. Yeah. And then this is the bar. Like, I'm sorry. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh yeah, you know it will be tonight. The disco ball right in the middle. I didn't even know that this place had a pool. I had no idea. What a bonus. If you're coming for a short stay, this would be the best place to stay, especially if you love to go out. Like, look at this behind me. How cute is that? The outfit. So this is from Shein, and my bikinis and Summers, and the skirt is Bershka, and the bag is also Shein. Love this bikini, it's so gorgeous. And the necklace also Shein.
My outfit is, this is from Bershka, this is from Fashion Nova, the bikini top, this is from Misguided.
George, she looks so good. This is the outside of our little hostel. A nice vibe. It's literally like on the corner of this street called Freehand Miami. We're ready for some brekkie because it is getting late. Taylor is getting hangry. Okay, Joe is arriving now.
Use your brain! Use your brain!
Full.
Jokes?
Jose is arriving now. And then when you say it to him, it's 6378 is our pin. 67.
6-7.
Getting in the Uber to go for some breakfast. So this is Ocean Drive, and we're gonna go for some breakfast right after breakfast right here. It's called like On Ocean Drive, and then this is the view from where we're gonna have breakfast, and it's just unreal. Miami, like wow. This is where we are right now. This is Ocean Drive, and then this is where we're going for breakfast. It looks so good, and the prices not even that bad. Like, this is where we are. This is where we're sitting. First drink of the day. What time is it? 12. Is it a mix?
Yeah, he said it was going to be strawberry, but it's not.
Mine is in fact coconut.
Maybe?
I was going to
Genuinely one of the best mojitos I've ever had. Okay, we are on a boat trip in Miami. This is so much fun. We just got some drinks. I've got a Miami. I just got a Miami Slice, which is pina colada and strawberry daiquiri frozen. For the videos we've got today, it's been unreal. My tongue, oh god.
Life isn't real right now. Look at that beach there, look at that.
Chili's in Miami. Is this one? No.
So it's the triple platter.
Mozzarella sticks, boneless wings, and like sliders.
Sliders. I have a veggie burger with fries.
With fries. And mine is the plainest
It's fantastic.
chicken burger. Oh, it's spicy. I need to brush my teeth.
Still. Do you know what I'm still?
I've lost my toothbrush. We have one morning left in Miami. We come to E Bakery. That's not far from the beach and not far from our hostel either. And I've got a chocolate croissant for $5, which is like $3.80 in pounds. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Nice, really clean cafe. But it is a little bit expensive. Yeah, once we eat this, we're going to go to the beach for the morning and then we're going to get the bus to Orlando, ready for Disney Springs tonight. So excited! We're actually in Subway right now. I'm not getting the Subway, but Faz is getting the Subway. So that was our next stop. And now we're going to head to the beach because we literally have our bus at 12, 10:51. So we need to get out of here. 3 minutes away from here. Okay, this is like right by the beach. Look how pretty. So real, I can already see the sea from where we are right now. And it is gorgeous. I actually think this might be a bucket list moment in my life right now. Like, what do you mean we're at Miami Beach? Buy these lifeguard hats, they're so cool. The Cutter Beach. We're gonna go down to the sea, let these people have their turn. Never ever ever wanna leave. I especially don't want to leave Miami, and we have to leave today, which is so sad because like this has actually been the most unreal place ever, and we didn't even get to do all the things we wanted to do. So I will be coming back. This is one of the places I would love to come back to. Miami is gorgeous, and the palm trees and just like the sand and the beach and everything. Definitely want to come back. What a place to be. Look how clear that water is. Like Taylor just said, it gets so deep so quickly. Look at these seagulls, they're living the life. Unemployed, Miami Beach, that's where I would be if I was a seagull. I do fear that there are sharks in Florida. And there's no manatees in this sea. Very good. I wish we could stay for way longer. We literally have been here for like 10 minutes and we have to leave. Look how nice it is. Raised bar. I'm obsessed. I don't want to leave.
Boiling though.
Yeah, it's hot. It's hot, hot, hot. We're trying. We have to get on the bus now because we missed our bus. Oh yeah, we missed our bus to Orlando. So we're getting another bus at 1 p.m. So we need to leave like now because it's 12:05, and we don't want to miss another bus. So we're gonna leave super early to be safe. I just want to get in that water. I'm not gonna lie. Might put my legs in the water and then go. Okay, hey, we're in the Uber. We're on our way to the Intermodal Center to get our next bus to Orlando. So it's at 1 p.m. and right now it's 10 past 12. So we should be fine. We left a little bit earlier to be safe. Everyone's happy. Minor setback. We're gonna be there today.
Very minor.
Very minor. And this bus takes a little bit longer than the one we were getting on originally. Yeah, 15 minutes longer, but we still gotta go. So we're just gonna pretend like the bus was £40 originally and we didn't just lose £20, which is actually nothing. Anyways, I'll update you when we get on the bus. Fingers crossed.